Hey people, we
We
are
are
the
the
Soysters,
Soysters.
more like Noisters.
Whatever.
So today we would be playing a game, Never Have I Ever. So let's start.
Run.
So
Let's start.
So here are some mystery liquids. As you can see, we both have made them.
What we've done basically is make 3 liquids and then split them in 2, so we have in total 12 liquids.
So
Let's start.
asking the questions. Oh, not questions, rather statements. Okay, so ascending order. You start.
Okay. This is so exciting. I've never had a logo of my own channel. Ooh. Sorry, it's just some water split. Okay. Never have I ever backbitched about my sister.
Should I?
Oh, you have backbitched about me.
No, not back bitching. Like you have done something that had hurt me badly, so I told to mom. That's normal.
Okay.
I'm your elder sister, no? This
This
one.
is mine. Yeah.
Okay. So this drink is by Dyasha.
Okay. Not to brag about it or something. It looks like detergent.
Actually,
Fena.
and
itself.
it
I
has.
think you have. Yeah.
Stir it up. I can see some sediments in it. Okay. It looks like vomit.
Just drink it. That wasn't so bad. Make some good.
Is it milk powder with lots and lots of salt?
You're correct. Okay. We also have the water.
For emergency purposes only. And I don't think that was emergency. So, now mine. Never have I ever puked on the bed.
Which one should I drink?
Akkada bakkada bambe go. Anything can come and go.
Shut up. That is not
This one.
I might have dekhi. It looks like cola, but there's some, I don't know, some
Show
poppy seeds. I don't know. It looks some poppy seeds. Maybe you put some chia seeds in. What's your favorite thing now?
Drink.
It smells like pudina. I don't know.
Drink it in a gulp.
But it wasn't so bad. It was just salty and really minty at the same time. So I don't mind. I didn't even.
I'm a great chef after all.
Okay, so it's my turn, and
It has a bad aftertaste.
bad. Never have I ever had someone slap me across the face. Just had.
Huh. That's what childhood means to me. In fact, teenage years, that's life to me. Which
Just
one
drink
say?
it. This one. Yours.
Oh, that one is mine. And I know. It's horrible. Because while making it, I had tasted it. You can drink, I mean, you can see this, and I have to drink it.
That's hilarious. Bad jokes. How's the taste? I don't I'm like having ice thrown in my throat at the same time.
That one was chili sauce with fruit juice and honey.
Ah.
Okay, so now, my turn. Never have I ever had a crush on someone from tuition.
That is just so bad. You know I studied in a girls' school. I will have crushes that too from tuitions. Which should I try? This is one.
Let me tell you. Drink this one. That one is my favorite.
You made it. I thought I made it.
No, I made it.
Hey, what have I made?
Oh no, not that one. I needed to drink this one. Sorry, that's you. Made by you actually. Yeah. So that
It looks like, you know, something limca sort of, but with lots and lots of lemons floating around, and it's going to be, I don't know, tangy, sour. Oh.
that was just so simple. It was some crushed pineapples, vinegar and lemon.
मेरे को उल्टी हो जाएगा, तुम ही मैं उल्टी करूंगी रात को, सोना दो।
आज मैं तुम्हारे साथ सोऊंगी नहीं रात में.
Okay.
Hmm.
Never have I ever said something to my first crush awkwardly, मतलब जैसे awkward सबका first crush होता ही है, and regretted it.
I have not actually said him something. He knew that I liked him. I mean, everyone in the school knew.
हाँ, उसके अलावा
And I never said him something. I just, once it happened that there was waterproof ink and I was blowing through the refill and there was no, the muzzle I had taken it out, the nib, and only the refill, and I blowed so hard that he was sitting just in front of me. His white shirt was like blemished with blue waterproof ink. That was awkward, and I got scolded. I got scolded by my teacher. And he was very upset with me. So yeah, I have. Which one you said?
Okay,
Have you done that?
who me? You're not allowed to talk, I mean ask please one
No,
question.
if you have done it, then you also have to drink it.
Okay, there was this crush, but I never literally talked to him. Once we were after the tuition and there was a lizard walking by and I was talking of
A lizard?
A lizard.
Walking by.
I mean, not walking by, it was crawling like other balls. So, and I was talking about एक the dying to my friend, and then he was like, हाँ सब लड़की लोग die नहीं होती है. So I have never said anything. He said to me awkward, and I was like, go to hell.
Yeah, truly. Okay, so which one?
Have my creation.
Oh, that looks beautiful. Just look at it.
Mango juice. Just mango.
I can smell squash. I love mango squash.
I know. Good.
Mm. That was squash.
Yeah,
And I love mango.
It's definitely mango squash, lemon water. It's a really
Oh, there was
simple-
lemon water in it. Actually, there was a bit of lemon left because I had used most of it.
I know. Okay, your turn.
Never have I ever broken someone's hair with my teeth. Now you will know
I
the
have
real Yasha.
done it. Okay, there was just a sort of, I don't know, childhood में आता है कि ये करना चाहिए, ये नहीं
हाँ, she
करना
was like हम
चाहिए.
हर दिन सोते थे and वो कुटुस कुटुस करके बात छोड़ती थी मेरा.
Sound. नहीं, I only used to take out the split end. I know it's gross, but ऐसा होता है childhood में, चलता है.
She was the one who turned me into a boycott baby.
Okay.
So, you drink this one? Your creation, right?
I've done it. I don't want to drink it. Okay. क्या टेस्ट थोड़ी जाता है, नाक क्यों बंद करता है तुम? टेस्ट चला जाता है क्या?
हाँ, तुम्हारे पास तो नाक है नहीं तो पता चलेगा.
Shut up. I know I'm gonna need it. I'm not a big fan of chili flakes.
You added chili flakes in it. It has elements.
You can look at it. It was my revenge dish.
Dish.
Not dish, my drink.
You were forgetting words.
सर में आग जल रहा है. That Instagram वाला.
सर में या कहीं और. कहीं और आप तो कल सुबह चलेंगे.
Okay. Now my turn. Never have I ever fainted to gain attention.
Oh, I've never done that. I've never done that. I never fainted. I always wanted to faint. But I always wanted to faint in the school assembly, but then I never fainted. And every time I had planned to faint, someone else would faint.
That is pretty much. But I remember you telling me this, that you were walking down, you were walking
Oh,
in the school
that
corridor
one.
and you fainted, so that to make your fall, that you fell, and to make it look like you fainted and
Yeah,
oh, teacher.
actually, that
That's
happened. That happened when I was in class 9. I was walking very stylishly, actually, from the corridor through the corridor of class 10th or 11th, and there were crushes and guys looking around. So therefore, I was walking, and there I took a turn, and it was so slippery that I fell down so badly there, and everyone was from jumping out of the window. Oh, gir gaye, and so I had to do something. So I closed my eyes and stopped my breath. And the teacher came out, and she was like, "Oh, Prathama, what happened? Prathama, what happened?" Oh, teacher, sir, घूम गया था. पता नहीं चला, sorry teacher. Then they were like, oh no problem child. Then they made me sit, then gave me electoral water and they loved me. KSMS rocks.
Attention seekers.
KSMS rocks.
लो पियो.
कौन सा?
What I just मेरा वाला था ना.
ये वाला ना?
कम था. बहुत कम है. I didn't stir up. You didn't remind me. Stir. Share माता. But she likes rice. Can you tell what it was?
It actually tasted good, but it's too jal.
The leftover spice is unbearable. It's chili flakes. Well, not chili flakes, but chili powder and that health drink, Papa ka diabetes wala, and water. So you will not get a bit of sweetness. That's
That
guaranteed.
health drink, that's the taste. I knew it because I had been eating it since some days, like going around and eating milk powder.
Chee. वो इतना गंदा taste
Chee.
करता है. उसका
I
taste
tell
ही
mom, you added so much red chili powder to it.
नहीं. हाँ तो तुम भी तो कहा तुम्हारा लाल देख रही हो.
लाल वो वाला नहीं.
हाँ नहीं बोलेंगे.
Okay, so never have I ever misheard lyrics and embarrassed myself in front of others.
What others? You are my sister only.
No. So a sister is not other person, and you all.
Okay, what I had done was when I was in class 6, the song Rang De Tum Mohe Gero had just came out, and I was singing, and my sister just was walking by, and she heard me, and she was like, "Which song are you singing?" And I was like, "Rang De Tum Mohe Tendua," and then she was like, "What?" And I truly I didn't know the meaning of Tendua. I thought it was really Gerua and Tendua the same thing. I didn't hear Gerua. I had heard it on a radio. So what I heard, I always say that. That's
And
what
she
I
was
had
so
to do.
confident. She was like, "Oh my God, तू वो गाना नहीं सुनी? रंग दे तो मोहे तेंदुआ."
Okay, that is your fault for making it so publicized.
हाँ,
तुमको
who
publicity
sings,
समझना
who
चाहिए.
sings at home? रंग दे तो मोहे तेंदुआ.
हाँ ठीक है चलता है चल. कौन सा?
हाँ,
पानी भी नहीं बचा हुआ है.
ये पी लो.
Why I have to drink mine?
That is
Mango
great.
squash. Here we go. I wanted to, take out the pineapple so you will see. This tastes good.
Yeah, I told you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
बहुत गंदा है, बहुत गला चल रहा है.
हाँ, मुझे थोड़ा दे देती. मेरा भी चल रहा है.
मुझे ना देना. अब ठीक है. You back vegetables.
Tell.
Bitches. Never.
Yes.
Shut up. Never have I ever been caught cheating in a test.
Why I've never cheated?
क्या झूठ बोलती हो? यूनिट टेस्ट में तुमने चीट की थी.
Huh? When? No. In which unit test? I never did.
Chemistry. Fail.
Huh, so I failed in chemistry. I flunked. But when did I cheat? If I would have cheated, then I would have passed. Nah. That was chemistry
Not in
practicals.
terminal.
Huh, that was chemistry practicals that I asked.
हाँ
the
तो
guy.
सब टेस्ट मतलब टेस्ट, प्रैक्टिकल टेस्ट होता है, प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम टेस्ट सब वही है. पियो.
हाँ तो वो सामने बंदा था, उससे पूछ लिए थे कि प्रैक्टिकल में वो मेरे को वो सब थोड़ी आता उतना अच्छे से. I love arts, science.
वो आर्ट्स फन. ये लो पियो.
मेरा प्यार से जहर भी पिला रही. फिनाइल दे रही. ये तो मैं एक बार पी चुकी हूँ. ये क्यों पीना है मुझे?
पियो. I'll just
Okay.
Hey, how many drinks have I had?
I don't know.
एक चिल्ली वाला था, एक ये वाला था.
I'll stop counting. Okay, so now my turn. Never have I ever kicked someone out of bed in sleep.
I've never.
What?
I don't believe you, and I don't believe her.
Oh,
I've
you don't
never
believe
done
me.
it.
She used to kick me and say, Devyani,
You tell me what's in the shop.
she used to be, Devyani, dona, Devyani, क्यों कर रही हो? Damn. And a kick.
What donor? क्या?
How will I know what you are asking from her?
मेरे दिमाग में अलग अलग चीज चलता है.
बहन है मेरी. Drink this one.
ये पानी नहीं, ये पानी
नहीं, वो तुमने एक बार पी लिया. ये वाला पियो. पानी दूँ?
फिर से चिल्ली.
हाँ.
Hate it.
I had put just a bit of chili, okay? Not like you. Hey, it matches the wall color. Hi.
Yeah. Never thought we would finish half of the drinks. More than half actually.
There's a bhujal in my plate.
It smells awful. Is there green chili also in it?
No.
Green chili pickle. Oh
No,
God.
no, that pickle is kept. We shall eat it with paratha.
Oh, chili sauce. ये भगवान.
दियाशा ने अपने नाक ढूंढने की कोशिश की.
I've drunk it. चलो आगे. नहीं सुन.
पेशो ने चापड़ मार दो. Feels so good.
Water is not enough. We should have put milk.
So, last question. Do you have anything?
मेरा बारी था, right? Never have I ever forgot my lines in a play. तुम कभी play में थी नहीं.
Oh my God! नुक्कड़ नाटक कौन करता था?
Narrator.
No, I was always the actor. Only once I was the narrator in Convent Pulse. Huh. So I've never forgotten my lines. Have you?
Never.
Then pass. Okay. So, never have I ever pooped at school.
At school.
Yes.
In school.
वो
Or whatever. नहीं मैंने कभी नहीं होगा. टट्टी नहीं की.
English diplomats.
Yeah. टट्टी नहीं की.
स्कूल में कभी नहीं.
कभी नहीं.
I think तुम LKG में थी जब तुमको अलग ड्रेस लेके जाना पड़ता था तब तुम दूसरा
नहीं.
ड्रेस पहन के.
Like what happened in LKG was the school in which I studied, they tell us to carry an extra like set of underwear. So that if somebody poops or pisses, they can replace it. So I've never done it. और मेरे एक ही कंडीशन में वो हमेशा बैग में एक ही जगह पड़ा रहा.
तो मुझे लगा था कि ये वाला मैं शेयर करूंगी उसके साथ
ये वाला.
जो वो बचा हुआ है.
Okay.
कोई बात नहीं मैं पी रही हूँ because
You have done it. I forgot. You have done it.
yes in UKG.
इसमें पाइनएप्पल वाला था ये चिली वाला. तुमको पाइनएप्पल पसंद तुम ये पियो.
Thank you.
Some water.
No, that's okay.
Okay. One drinks left.
That had पुदीन हरा.
पता चला मेरे को. तो तुम बोली कि सारा ड्रिंक्स पीने के बाद चलो पुदीना रहा पीते.
पुदीन खाते हैं.
I'm all about it.
Your turn.
Never have I ever, like cut my hair or, rolled it or ironed it to make it straight and regretted it.
Regretted it?
कि कोई तुमको पकड़ लिया.
कोई
That's
पकड़
what-
लिया.
हाँ.
पकड़ने का क्या? You are like नहीं मम्मी को पता चलेगा तो मारेगी. No, we shouldn't tell her. No, we should tell her. And I'm like अरे चलो ना कहते हैं. चुप चुप
Don't
के.
make us
हिमावारी
Ah!
ओ मेरी हिमावारी मैंने
Please don't
शिनचैन।
overreact. ठीक है ये वाला पार्ट काट देना.
So, I forgot.
You have.
Yeah, I have ironed and curled my hair and done a lot of things.
Colored.
Colored it.
Colored.
हाँ
मम्मी
तो
को पता
पकड़े
चला.
जाने का क्या है? हम तो कलर करेंगे तो पता नहीं चलेगा. So पकड़े जाने का नहीं है. So this one is passed. I told it myself.
अब मतलब तुम अपने ही डिसाइड कर लो क्या तुमको करना है.
हाँ तो हम मम्मी को बता दिए थे. हम पकड़े थोड़ी गए थे. चोरी नहीं किए.
आयरन.
आयरन क्या? आयरन किए थे तो बात स्ट्रेट हो गया. मम्मी पता चल गया. हम बताए ये थे.
क्या झूठ है.
हाँ pass.
ओके. I think
That one is my turn.
हाँ.
So never have I ever been admitted to the hospital. That's a favorite place to be.
Okay, so this is left.
Last one.
If we haven't kept track, कितना कौन किया.
दोनों पेयर करे पियो.
Okay, so that's my worst nightmare pineapple. And I don't know, vinegar and all. Yes, definitely. Okay. मेरे को लगता है मेरे को सब डाइल्यूट करके पीना चाहिए था. केमिस्ट्री पढ़ने का मतलब क्या होता है? कुछ नहीं सीखा. हम सीखे नहीं. I can't talk.
So that was the end to today's.
Never have I ever, and so I just